A thin layer of sanded grout packed under and around a wobbly toilet base provides immediate structural support and prevents rocking that degrades the wax ring. For a reliable repair, start by turning off the water and draining the toilet, then remove the toilet carefully and protect the flange. Assess the subfloor for rot or soft spots and replace any damaged plywood with at least 3/4 inch tongue and groove exterior grade plywood or an approved repair flange ring before reinstalling. If the subfloor is sound, spread a thin bed of dry pack or sanded grout mixed to a damp, crumbly consistency around the flange area so the toilet will sit on a firm, level surface. Use a trowel or a putty knife to compact the grout under the rim of the bowl and around the base footprint. Reposition the toilet straight down onto the flange. Press evenly to seat it into the grout and secure with bolts just snug enough to compress the new wax ring without cracking the porcelain. Check that the bowl is level front to back and side to side using a small bubble level and shim minimally with non-compressible plastic shims if necessary. Then fill gaps between porcelain and floor with more packed sanded grout rather than flexible caulk because grout transfers load to the floor. Allow the grout to cure fully for at least 24 hours before heavy use, and avoid using silicone or latex caulk under the toilet for weight transfer because caulk will compress and allow renewed rocking. For added long-term stability, consider using stainless steel flange extenders or a repair ring if the flange sits below finished floor level, and always replace the wax ring when disturbing the assembly. Common mistakes are relying on silicone caulk under the bowl, which compresses and does not carry structural loads. So replace caulk with packed sanded grout for bearing support. Another error is failing to inspect the subfloor, which lets hidden rot continue to flex under load, so cut out and replace any soft plywood and ensure framing and flange are solid before reseating the toilet. A third issue is over-tightening the closet bolts, which can crack the porcelain. Instead, tighten bolts incrementally and check level often, using plastic or nylon washers under bolt heads to spread load and prevent breakage. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project details and estimates so users can compare options related to toilet stabilization and subfloor repair. We also run a community discussion forum where our members trade tips, before and after photos, and contractor recommendations.